Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You must act now. Start the provider's password reset and use a device or network you previously used to increase success odds. Enter your recovery email or phone. If challenged for secondary info, provide it precisely. While the system processes, take screenshots and note timestamps and any error text. This helps support. Once done, don't close the browser. Keep the session for later verification. These steps both regain access and create a trail to show ownership. Once you've initiated recovery, follow every identity prompt. Enter exact answers to security questions and any account creation details you remember, because providers weigh precise matches heavily. After entry, immediately review active sessions and sign out all unfamiliar devices. Then change the account password to a strong, unique passphrase. Make sure to update passwords on any services that used that email. Finally, set up two-factor authentication with an authenticator app or hardware key to block repeat compromises. Finish by auditing account settings. Remove unknown forwarding rules, mailbox filters, and third-party app access because attackers hide persistence there. If you're still locked out, contact provider support and submit the timestamps, screenshots, and verification details you recorded. This evidence speeds manual review. After regain, enable alerts and review recent sent mail for fraud, then monitor for at least 30 days. If suspicious activity returns, repeat recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.